You are running your business the hard way. And I do not say that to be dramatic. I say it because I teach AI for a living. And even I was shocked when I realized how much of my actual business Claude could run for me. Most people use Claude like a search bar. They ask it a question, copy the answer, and close the tab. Meanwhile, there is a version of Claude that writes your content, handles your sales, manages your inbox, and builds your systems while you sleep. In the next few minutes, I am going to walk you through 16 ways to run your entire business with Claude. And if you stay until the very end, I have 3 bonus moves that are going to completely bring you to a different level. 1 connects Claude to every app you already use. 1 turns Claude into an employee that works on your actual computer. And the last one lets Claude, yes, see your screen and take action for you. Here is how this is structured. First, 5 setup moves that take 2 minutes each and make everything after them 10 times better. Then 6 workflows that replace the tasks you are either doing yourself or paying someone else to do. Then 5 power moves that put you ahead of 99% of people using AI right now. Plus those 3 bonus hacks at the very end. Real quick, if you haven't met me, I'm Adwina. Let me tell you the mission I'm on. I'm on a mission to make AI accessible for all. And it actually starts with understanding how AI actually works. Even bigger, I want to show you that you can make real money in this AI revolution. The people sitting on the sidelines right now, you should be in the game, because every day you wait is a day another billionaire becomes a trillionaire. And I'm not calling no names over here, but we know who we're talking about, okay? If you think the pie is getting saved for 6 people, you're dead wrong. I'm on a mission to put 1 million people in the game by 2030 and 50 million by 2040, okay? And guess what? That run already started. If you're watching this, you're a part of that count. So do me a favor. I read every comment. Let me know if you're on this mission too with me. If you want wealth, let's make it happen. So with that being said, I'm a woman that doesn't like fluff and I like to get to the point. So let's freaking go. Number 1, tell Claude who you are. Claude performs 10 times better with context. Go to settings, then your profile preferences, and tell it exactly who you are and what you do. Mine, as an example, says that I am the CEO of Future IQ. I run AI certification programs, and I actually birth out people that make 50 to 60, all the way up to $100,000 a month leveraging AI. Let's go. Now, every answer is tailored to my world instead of generic advice. Skip this, and Claude is working with one hand tied behind its back. Number 2, custom styles. Claude lets you control how it talks to you. Go to settings, find styles, and create a custom one. I told mine to be direct, skip the fluff, and never use bullet points unless I ask. Now everything sounds like me, not a robot. Hands down, if you create content, this alone saves you hours of editing. Number 3, memory. Claude now remembers things about you across every conversation, and this is available even on the free plan. As you use it, it learns your patterns, your projects, your preferences, and carries them into every new chat. Go into memory settings on a regular basis and make sure it's remembering the right things. The more you use it, the more smarter it gets about how you actually work. Number 4, let's go. Projects. This is a dedicated workspace for one goal. Also free now. Create one, name it, upload your files and instructions, and every conversation inside it automatically uses that context. I have projects for content, course curriculum, sales pages, and email sequences. All you gotta do is set it up once and it works every freaking time. No more pasting the same background into every chat. Number 5, match the model to the task. Claude is not a one AI. It is actually 3, a light, fast one for quick tasks, and an everyday one for most work, and the most powerful one for high stakes thinking. Drafting a quick caption, use the everyday model. Building a launch strategy or analyzing a contract, switch to the powerful one. Using the same model for everything is like driving a truck to pick up groceries. Be for real. Diabolical. Okay, now that Claude knows who you are, let's put it to work on the actual jobs in your business. Number 6 is your content engine. This is where most of you will feel it first. Inside a content project, give Claude your topic and let it build the whole thing. The hook, the outline, the script, the captions. The real power is in the follow-up. Write the script, then say, make the open punchier. Then say, give me 3 titles ranked by curiosity. By the third message, you have something that would have taken you the whole afternoon to write. Stop hunting for the perfect prompt. Start having a conversation. Number 7, your sales copy. Claude writes the email, the sales page, the offer. Tell it, write a sales email for my program, then make it shorter and cut everything that sounds generic. Then give me 3 subject lines ranked by urgency. That is a copywriter's 2-hour job done in about 90 seconds, and it is trained on your business because you set it up in your profile in step number 1. I also wanted to pause here and also give you a quick little gem. What I love to do is I love to download books, the PDF documents, and upload them to my Claude, and then pull resources there to make my sales strategies even better. Okay, so find the best sales books in your industry or in general, upload those books, and get Claude to actually pull strategies from those direct books. Let's go. Number 8, your inbox and calendar. Connect Claude to your email and calendar, and it stops answering questions and starts taking action. Summarize my unread emails and draft replies to the 3 most urgent. Listen to this. Find me 2 free hours this week. This is the difference between AI you visit and AI that lives inside your workflow. Let's freaking go. Number 9, your data analyst. Upload a spreadsheet of your numbers and ask the real question. Where is my biggest funnel drop off? Where and which channel actually drove revenue last month? Claude reads it and tells you exactly, because guess what? Claude loves data. Then tell it to build a chart right there in the panel. Bar graph, funnel, line graph, clean and ready for your team's meeting. In my corner office, data without a picture is just noise, my friends. Number 10, your document review. Upload 2 versions of any contract or proposal, and Claude tells you exactly what changed and whether it helps you or hurts you. A vendor sent me a revised 20-page contract. Instead of reading it line by line, I just dropped both of them in Claude, and guess what? I had the answer in 30 seconds. This is not convenience. This is what I call leverage. Number 11, we're running the bag today. Your research desk. Claude searches the web in real time and cites real sources. Pull market size, competitor moves, fresh stats for your content, all without opening 12 browser tabs to find one simple answer. If you still think Claude only knows old information, be for real. You are operating on outdated assumption. Let's get you into 2026, okay? Quick pause. Listen, I need to lock in with you right now. I've had close to 1.7 million views on my channel, and the subscription number is not matching the views. So let me tell you something. You are watching this right now. You're the person that this is for. So please, let me help you. Go to the subscription button right now and click that subscribe. I'm going to wait here for you, okay? Number 12, system prompts inside projects. Inside any project, you can write rules Claude follows every single time. Mine says, you are my YouTube scriptwriter, right at a 5th grade level, always open with curiosity hook. Now, then leave everything blank for me to be able to do a voice dump. See? I'm not repeating myself. This is how you turn Claude from a general assistant into a specialist for each part of your business. Number 13, the reverse prompt. When Claude gives you an output you love, ask it one thing. Write me the exact prompt that would have produced this faster next time. It reverse engineers the perfect prompt and you can save it. Do this for a few weeks and you can build a library of prompts that hit at the very first try. Let the AI teach you how to talk to it. Number 14, parallel work. Open multiple Claude conversations at once, each one independent. One drafting a blog post, one analyzing sales, one building an email sequence, all running at the same time. On my content days, I run several at once and walk away with a full week of content. One brain, 5 assistants, same afternoon. Let's lock in. And let's just take this up a notch, okay? Claude actually released something called sub-agents. So what that looks like is if you give it a task, it can actually spin up like 50 sub-agents all at once to complete that particular task. Claude, come on, let's freaking go. Number 15, Claude as your developer. Even if you do not code, my friends, this matters. Claude writes and fixes the small technical stuff that usually costs you money and time. Spreadsheet formulas, automation scripts, a broken form on your site. I once had a broken sign-up form, pasted the code in, and guess who found and fixed the error? My bestie Claude in seconds. That was a $200 3-day developer job. Gone, just like that. Number 16, let's run. Ship a live page. Claude can build a landing page right in front of you and now publish it with a public link or embed a code you drop straight into your site. Build me a workshop page with a headline, 3 benefits, and a sign-up form. Preview it, tweak the copy, publish it, let's run the bag. 5 minutes, no designer, no developer. And I'm so sorry to say that, designers and developers, but guess what? We're leveling up now, okay? Now, friends, those are your 16. And guess what? I promised you something. Come closer. 3 bonus moves on a completely different level. Bonus number 1, MCP connections, and don't be overwhelmed by that tech word, okay? This is how you plug Claude into the apps you already live in. Your Gmail, your calendar, your notes, your files, your systems. Once connected, Claude does not just advise, it actually starts to act. Create the page, draft the replies, book the time. Most people treat AI like a place they go. This turns it into something that runs inside your business. Bonus number 2, Claude Code. This is a gold mine. This is the gold standard, okay, for getting Claude to actually execute on your computer. Even if you are not a developer, it can organize your files, build documents and spreadsheets, and automate repetitive tasks eating your week, and even build you an app in like 10 seconds. No, I'm exaggerating. 10 minutes, okay, my friends? But it can do so much work for you. Just keep this in mind. Regular Claude gives you advice. This gives you execution like Red Bull. It gives you wings, okay? Bonus number 3 is the desktop app and the computer use. This one changes everything. Through the desktop app, Claude can actually see your screen and take action. Click buttons, fill out forms, move through a task alongside you. It is still early. It is in beta, so give it some grace, okay? Nothing's perfect 100% right now in this AI revolution. But the people experimenting now are the ones who will be miles ahead when this becomes the normal way we all work. I want you to be early, my friends. I truly love and support you. Do not be late to the table. You know what I was thinking the other day? I don't even want a seat at the table anymore, okay? I need to be in the building. I need to own the building. You know what? I need to own the stones that is building that building. That's the level that I'm thinking on. There are millionaires and billionaires being birthed in this economy. I need a piece. We need a piece. We need to build legacy. So listen, if you're on this run, do me a favor, pause this video and shoot up some fire emojis. This makes me know that you made it to this section of the video. Let's freaking go, my friends. All right, that was 16 workflows plus 3 bonus moves that most people will never discover on their own. Here is what I want you to do, okay? Do not try them all, my friends. Pick one, the one that made you stop and say, wait a minute, what? It can do that, and use it for the next 2 weeks until it becomes second nature. Then run back to this video, pick the next one, and stack from there. In 90 days, you will be running circles around people still typing 1-line text message prompts into a chatbot. Drop a comment and tell me which one you are going to start with. Listen, I want to hold you accountable. I read every single comment, and if you want me to walk you through this entire system live, building it with you piece by piece, this is exactly what I do in my free workshop that's happening this Sunday. Click the link in the description and come with me. Join me inside to learn AI. This is so exciting, such an exciting time to be alive, my friends. Listen, don't make this moment pass you. If you made it to the end of the video, you're not like everyone. You are the 1% that has been locking with me. So I wanted to tell you, I love you so much, guys. I'm rocking with you guys. If there's more content or different things you want to see from me, please give me feedback in the comment. I read each and every one of your guys' comments. With that being said, let's run the bag and let's go. See you guys in the next one.